Dan, this Christmas needs to be extra special. I've put together a list of Christmas gifts to get for the boys. Make sure you get it all.
Honey, I got this. Well, I'll just grab my coat and I'm off. Oh!
Oh, Dan, sorry, I didn't see you there.
Oh, hey Abby. What are you doing here today? You doing some shopping too?
No, not me. I'm here with the Guelph Games Christmas train. You probably saw my map of where Santa's gonna stop around town.
Yeah, I have seen that map online, yeah.
You know, we're looking for one extra driver.
Oh yeah?
Do you think you can help us?
Got a little extra time today.
Awesome.
All right,
let's do it.
All right. Oh, one more thing. I'm Dan Gibson, and these are Royal City Stories. So, Helen, Mike, what are we up to today?
Well, it is the Guelph Games,
12 games.
and Friends
And friends.
Christmas train today.
Amazing.
Amazing.
You guys are filling a huge role for us this year because we actually don't have a Santa Claus parade, but the Guelph Games is stepping up.
That's right. Well, we decided that it was very important for the kids to be able to get their letters to Santa. That's how we originally started.
Sure.
And then it kind of grew from there. We added, if we could collect some food for the local organizations,
Right.
and then added a toy drive.
That's amazing. I see all your friends are here joining in today.
Yeah.
We're going to see them all day.
That's right.
Most important friend is here.
I've heard Mr. and Mrs. Claus are here today.
Yes, they are.
That's amazing. And you have a job for me?
You have the most important job, so you better,
Okay,
Get
well,
ready.
let's leak it. What is it?
you will be driving Mr. and Mrs.
Oh,
Claus.
my goodness.
Can you do it?
Oh, boy. We'll find out. Very
Don't
good.
crash.
The Guelph Games and Friends Christmas train will be making 8 stops across the city today. The Christmas train includes the Sleeman Elves team, the Guelph Games Jeep, the Guelph Storm truck, the Salvation Army band bus, the Guelph Sports mascot mobile, the Macho Movers toy collection truck, and I'm driving the caboose with Mrs. Claus and Santa.
Next stop on the Santa Claus train. I'm here with Peter Van Dynen at Guelph's Salvation Army. Peter, you've been doing a toy drive in town. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, absolutely. The toy drive is part of our annual Christmas campaign. Salvation Army provides food and toy hampers to families in need throughout the community, and it's great to be able to have the toy train happening this year, and all the excitement behind us, and people are bringing toys for the toy drive, food for the food drive. It's just a great way of helping the community.
That's great. And we have the Salvation Army band at each stop with us today.
Yeah,
that's such a treat.
It's great to have them along. It adds a little bit of Christmas cheer to each stop.
Yeah, we've got a great turnout here.
That's wonderful.
It looks like your toy drive bin's filling up.
That's right. We got all the mascots helping out. Kids and families are showing up, so it's a great way to support the community.
Great. Thanks for having us today.
All right, thanks.
get out of the house, and then my daughter has the opportunity to go see Santa Claus. So you see Santa Claus, and it's nice to see everyone together again.
We love the little one. This is fantastic.
Hey everyone, it's Damien from the Sleeman Retail Store and Tap Room. We're having a great time today helping support and pick up toys for the Guelph Games Christmas Toy Train Drive. At Sleeman, one of the ways that we help support the community is through our popular Pick Up the Tab event. We've been running this event for a few years now. Help us gather your aluminum, pop, and beer tabs to be donated to the Elora Legion. You can find donation boxes at the Sleeman Center for all Guelph Storm home games or at the Sleeman Retail Store.
Other stops the Christmas train made today were Waverley Drive Public School, Courtright Hills Public School, Shelldale Family Gateway, and St. Peter Catholic School, which was easily the greatest turnout of the day.
So did you get all your letters, Santa?
We did get all of our letters. We are so joyful. We love it.
Well, thank you for joining us for a Royal City Stories Christmas.
Anytime at all. Merry Christmas, Guelph.
The Guelph Games Christmas train collected 15 pickup trucks full of toys, several $1,000s in monetary gifts, and a large haul of non-perishable food. Thank you to all that donated.
What a great day. Hello?
Dan, where are you? Did you get all the presents on the list?
Hi, honey. Yeah, about that. The funniest thing happened.